Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. Bridges getting lower, the shrimp boat's coming home. But the old man down in the quarter slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on the Poncha train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of the hurricane, it comes around every June. Yeah, high black water, devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. A man came down from Chicago, he's gonna set that levee right. He said it needs to be at least 3 feet higher, it won't make it through the night. But the old man down in the quarter, he said, don't you listen to that boy. The water'll be down by the morning, and he'll be back to Illinois. I was born in the rain on the Poncha train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane, it comes around every June. The high black water, devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Yeah. 30 miles in the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. The bridge is getting lower, the shrimp boat's coming home. But the old man down in the quarter slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on the Poncha train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane, it comes around every June. The high black water, devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Yeah, I was born in the rain on the Procaccini train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane, it comes around every June. The high black water, devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans.